Hey friends, welcome back. Welcome back to our channel Chinese Time. We are again here with a new video. This video is really important because we are going to learn about numbers in Chinese. You might have learned these numbers, but we are going to use another way, and I'm sure by the end of this video you will be able to read your mobile number in Chinese language, as well as you will be able to speak from 1 to 99 in Chinese. Let's start. So before we start, if you are new here, if you are watching this video for the first time, then I would like to tell you that this video is part of a playlist which is designed especially for those who are new to Chinese language. So if you have never learned Chinese before, then go in description and click on our playlist button and start learning Chinese from zero. Alright, let's start. Numbers in Chinese language. The first number is 1. So 1 is the easiest number and very easy to write and speak in Chinese language. It is written like this, just one line starting from left to right, and it is pronounced as E, E, E. And second word is fourth tone, this is R, R. And it is written as 2 lines, horizontal lines, R. Similarly, 3 is represented as 3 horizontal lines, and it is pronounced as San. It is again first tone. You don't have to emphasize a lot. San is very normal. San. Then 4 is fourth tone. It is written like this. So at the end of this video, we will also tell you how to write these words. But right now, we are just focusing on pronunciation, and at the same time, you should also see not only pinyin, you should also see the characters. Try to remember this character. So 4 is si, si, si. Very simple to pronounce. 5 is wu. This is third tone. You have to a little bit careful. First you have to decrease your pitch of the tone, and then you have to increase it. It is wu, wu. Next one is 6. It is again very easy to write. It is fourth tone and it is pronounced as liu, liu, liu. As we go ahead, it is 7. 7 is qi. I think it's again very easy. 1 is e. 7 is qi. So very similar, very easy. And 8 one is pa. It's again very easy. I think this is the easiest. After e, this is the easiest word in Chinese. It is very easy to write, just 2 strokes. And if you say papa, it's just pa, pa. Number 8, 9, again it is third tone. It is jiu, jiu, jiu. Let's practice again. So 1 is E, R. 2 is R. 3 is san, san. 4 is si, si. 5 is wu, wu. 6 is liu, liu. Keep repeating after me. Liu. And 7 is qi, qi. 8 is pa, pa. 9, 9. Shi, shi. This is 10. 10 is, we haven't seen it before, so it is here. Shi, it is second tone and it is represented by these 2 horizontal lines. It is very easy to remember. Shi. I think it is again very easy. So this is how we pronounce our Chinese language from 1 to 10, and I hope you are getting something. So let's we increase our difficulty level and let's we practice more. Let's start from 1 again. What is 1? E. Okay. Second, 2. What is 2? Do you remember? Try to remember. R. Yes, this is fourth tone. R, R. Maybe a little bit hard for few people from different countries. For some people it will be very easy. Just don't worry even if you think it is hard. Keep practicing with us. R. 3 is san, san. 4, 4 is si. And 5 is wu, wu. So this is from 1 to 5. Can we practice from 5 to 1? Let's try. So what is 5? 5. What was 4? We just saw it. Yes, 4. Good. Next one, 3. Try. 3. 2 is 2 and 1. At least you should know this, okay? We have spent a lot of minutes now. 1 is E. Yes, good. E. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's we keep practicing from 6 to 10 in similar way. 6 is 6. 7. 7 and what is it? 8. 9 is 9. And what is 10? 4. Yes. So let's we try from 10 to 6 as we tried from 5 to 1. Okay. What is 10? 4. What is 9? We just saw it. Try. Yes. 9. 8. Don't forget it. 8. What is 7? It is similar to 1. E. And what is 7? Yes. Try. Yes. 7. And what is 6? 6. Cool. Right? And now we can, I think, start from 1 to 10 and from 10 to 1. Before that, let's we test how good you are at remembering pictures. So what is this? Yes, this is 1. 1 is E. Yes, good. This is 3 lines, horizontal lines representing 3. 3 is sun. Yes. 2 lines representing 2. It is 4th tone R. Yes, good. This is 4. Yes. So 4 is 4. Yes, 4 is 4th tone 4. And this is, I think, do you remember this color? Yes, 6. 6 is again 4th tone 6. 4 and 6, they both are 4th tone. Is there any other 4th tone? Yes, 2. R. You can remember these numbers in tones as well. So 5 is 1 with 3rd tone. Yes, do you remember? Ooh. Yes. What else is 3rd tone? Yes, 9. 9 is again a 3rd tone. We will see it in a moment. This is chi. You can see. And chi is 7. What is this? Yes, this is 3rd tone 9. Yes, this is 9. And this is 8, the easiest one. Pa. Good. I hope you can read from 1 to 10. Okay, we try. 1 is E. 2 is R. 3 sun. What is next? 4. Yes. 5. 6 is 6. 7 is 7. And what is it? 8. 9. 10. Alright. I hope you have learned this 1 to 10, but to master it, let's retry from 10 to 1. So what is 10? 2. And what is 9? 9. 3rd one. And 8 is pa. 7 is chi. What is 6? Try to recall. Yes. 6. 5. 5. 4. 4th tone. 4. 3. 3. 2. R. 1. E. At least you should know this. So you can see here there are 3 4 tones. R. 4. 6. 2 4 6. And similarly there are first tones E. 3. 7. 8. So 1 3 7 8 they are first tone, and 5 9 they are 5 and 9 are third tone, and shi is second tone. So now we can also see how to write these words. This is very simple to write. I will ask you to stay here for a few seconds and learn how to write. The very simple rule of Chinese writing is from left to right. So you can see 1 is the best example to learn this 1 2 3. There is only one horizontal line, so we are starting from left to right. and in 2 there are 2 horizontal lines, so we will start from top to bottom. So top is starting from left, and then we are going to bottom one, and there are 3 horizontal lines, so we will always start writing Chinese from top, and we'll go from top to bottom and left to right. So from left to right, top one, second, third. Similarly, we will start from the most left one. Here, this is the most left stroke, then top one. Alright, top to bottom, we always move from top to bottom and left to right in writing Chinese. So you can try and practice. I would say that stop here and practice writing, because if you will not write, you will forget after 2 days. That will simply waste of our time. You spend too much time, but you again forgotten. So I think it's better to write. Alright, now we have already learned 1 to 10. So let's see how can we pronounce 11 to 99. What is 11? You will see the beauty of Chinese language. Chinese language is really easy sometimes. What is 11? It is actually 10 plus 1. 10 is shi and 1 is yi. Shi yi is 11. This is very beautiful in Chinese language, that once you have learned from 1 to 10, now you can simply rearrange these words and make from 11 to 99. Let's see what is 18. So 18 actually is 10 plus 8. What is 10? Shi. And what is 8? Ba. Shi ba is 18. Cool. So what is 20? This is a good question. 20 actually is 2 times 10. So what is 2? And what is 10? Shi. So 2 times 10, so it is 20. What is 30? 3 times 10, that should be 30. What is 40? 4 times 10, what is 4? 40. So now you know how to speak 10, after 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So you already know. Just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in front of 10. That will help you to make all these words. So let's see what is 32. Well, 32 is actually 3 times 10, 30 plus 2, 32. So it should be, what is 30? 30 is 30 and 2 is 2. So 32. This is 32. Can you see the beauty? So it's very easy. Simply add 3 words. 32. So we have a very cool post on our Facebook page regarding 32. You can find it out. It's really funny and lovely as well. You will like it. So what is 99? So you can practice all other numbers starting from 10, 11 to 99. So what is 99? 99 is 9 times 10 plus 9. So it is 9 plus 9 to 10 is 90. 90 is 90 plus 9, 99. 99. So that's 99. Isn't it easy? I'm sure it is. We have learned today from 1 to 99, and it is not the end. We still have to learn how to pronounce your mobile number. So what is this? 28625, a random number. You can take it as office numbers. If you have to ask your boss, your teacher about their office number, they will tell you in Chinese. It will be this kind of number. So how to read this number? It is 28625. So simple. 2 is 8 is 8, 6 is 6, 5. So simply read it like this. Just like in English, we read 28625. In Chinese, 2, 8, 6, 5. So that's very easy. So can you read your mobile number in Chinese? So let's say we have this mobile number 331-855-3456. Whatever your mobile number is, if you know 1 to 10, you can read it. It is very easy. 3, 3, 1, 8, 5, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after having these numbers 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you have these numbers, you can make any combination and you can read any number, whether it is mobile number, office number, whether it is your address, home address, whatever it is, wherever there are numbers, you can read it. If you can't read your mobile number in Chinese, you cannot tell your boss or your friends number in Chinese language, then you need to watch this video again slowly and keep practicing. If you want to learn more, there are multiple posts on our Facebook regarding how to pronounce 0, how to pronounce 100, 1000, 10,000. We have posts, we will also make videos in future, but if you're interested, you can go to our Facebook page, Learn Chinese with Kamran, and see our multiple posts on this topic. So that was all about this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe our channel. More importantly, don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will see you in next video. Stay blessed. Goodbye.